Today, I will be covering how to create a new socket on a meter bank and install a meter to that socket by searching using a customer's address. To start, we will need to get to the Locate an Asset window. Under the OpenPoint ribbon at the top of the screen, select the Assets button in the Selection group. This will open the pane for viewing assets. Then from there, we just need to select Locate an Asset. As you can see, we get this new window where we need to select the asset type that we want from the dropdown. I'm looking for a customer, so open the dropdown and select that, and click Find Asset. Now, we are presented with a list of all customers. On this list, you are able to see each customer's location number, name, and address. I'll go ahead and type the address I want in the search bar at the top. And there we are. Double-click the customer that we want, and you'll see a full list of assets here on the right. Now that I have the right asset showing, I'll need to click New Socket, and this will open a new window where I need to fill out the details for the socket. Enter a location number, and then the position you want the socket at, and click Create. Then another window will open, prompting you to install a meter. You can either click Cancel if you want to leave the socket empty, or you can enter the meter details, like I will here, to immediately install the meter. Once you fill out the details, go ahead and click Create. And now you'll see that the meter and socket have both been installed and are ready to go.